Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to talk to Grok AI using voice mode. Not gonna lie, the first time I tried talking to Grok with voice, I half expected it to glitch out, but once I set it up properly, it actually felt pretty smooth, almost like a live assistant. First, let's make sure our microphone is working. Let's quickly check our system settings to confirm there's an input device detected. If your mic isn't selected there, Grok won't hear anything no matter what you press. Once that's good, let's open Grok, tap the voice option. If you're using it on a web, your browser will pop up a permission request asking to use your microphone. Let's hit allow, otherwise our voice mode won't activate. After that, let's toggle voice on. Once it's enabled, let's start speaking naturally, like, "Hey Grok, good morning." You see your words transcribed in real time, and Grok replies right away. You can also switch between different voices, adjust speaking speed, and try different personalities. It's surprisingly interactive once you play around with it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.